Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the OnePlus 9 Pro mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn on the phone and take out the SIM tray, and then follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heat gun. Carefully work around on the edges, and once you feel the heating is enough, use a suction cup to lift the back cover. In between, insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Take out the back cover and take out the mainboard frame by undoing screws. First, take out the shield and disconnect and remove the flasher plug. And then undo 11 screws to lift the board frame with wireless coil using a pry tool. Next, from the right hand side, disconnect the battery, LCD and charging connector plugs. Next, fold flex cables down and take out the battery by loosening adhesive on the sides, and then pull it by the red tabs on both sides. Next, place the new battery and secure it with adhesive. Next, connect the LCD, charging and battery connectors to the board. Next, secure the logic board frame by adding 11 screws, and also make sure to connect the flash sensor and the shield. Next, insert the SIM tray and place the back cover on the body. Before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we add in binding clips to tighten the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the OnePlus 9 Pro replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.